on the goofy side, please let me know a category and a number, and we will start there.
Beyond the norm, 300.
Beyond the norm for 300. Let's try that. And by the way, I will apologize now. I am normally one that I generally have to sit in order to keep my hands from coming out. And I generally am not one to be behind a podium. The problem is you can't really do this unless I had a Vanna, but I don't have a Vanna, so I'm going to be Vanna and all at the same time. You with me? Okay, good. All right. Beyond the norm for 300, here we go. Often, employee training is tied to a time frame. The employee must remain after the same, or they must reimburse the employer for the cost of said training so long as the result does not do this. I didn't say it was going to be easy. Oh. What is separate from employment? Good guess, but no, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Make them compliant with what is make them compliant with FSLA or put them under minimum wage?
Well, now wait a second. You just gave me two answers. Which one are we doing?
Put them under FLSA or FSLA.
Now listen, the only people that have more acronyms than me is SHRM. But FLSA, right?
FLSA.
See, I'm not even going to repeat that one, so we're just, all right, here's what we're going to do. What is bring the final paycheck below minimum wage for actual hours worked? Here's what happened in the case. And I'm sure none of you do this, but let's cover it right now. Individuals working, they do the training. They end up deciding, I am so out of here. They go to leave, and the employer says, wait a second, you had training, you now owe us back. So they back charge on the final paycheck. And there was another deduction that had to come out too. So you know what their final paycheck was? Goose egg. So what do? They file suit, and guess what? Shockingly, they win. That never makes me happy, by the way. But look, it's simple. You can't bring somebody below minimum wage, even in their final paycheck, even if they told you, go right ahead and deduct. Okay? All right, so now that gives, let's see, Pluto's over here. What was the question? I'm sorry?
Is that for every state?
Well, let's see, it's a federal law. So it would apply to every state. Oh, okay, I'm mic'd, I'm gonna walk away. Whatever your organization does, that's on you. Okay, let's try this over here. Let's go back. Now, here's the way this works. You were